In this video, I'll show you how to insert picture in shape on Photoshop. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So the first thing is just hold your left click on this icon, then you will see all of the shapes available. So I want to use the circle shape, so I'll just use it. Here you need to set this on shape, and in the fill just select any color, and in the stroke just set this on here. Once you do that, let me hold shift key to draw a perfect circle. Okay, now I'm going to insert the picture right here. So for that, let me go to the file, and from here we are going to insert the picture. So my picture is in the desktop, so I'll just drag this by using my left click. And here you need to make sure one thing, the picture should be above the circle or above the shape. So the picture is above the shape, so I'll just select the picture, then hold Alt key, and once you get the pointer like this, just press left click of your mouse, and yeah, you can see the picture is in the circle or is in the shape. So now here we need to transform the picture. So for that, just select the picture, hit Ctrl T, then you will see the option for transform. So let me resize it. So yeah, this is how you can insert picture in shape on Photoshop. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.